How to write an executive summary, step by step. Dr. Sands here. In this video, we'll walk through how to craft a clear, concise, and compelling executive summary that captures the essence of your entire report. There are 3 main steps. Step 1. Read the full report. Step 2. Organize your thoughts. Step 3. Fill in the content. Step 4. Review and revise. Let's dive in. Step 1. Read the full report. Before writing the executive summary, read the entire report thoroughly. Take notes on significant data, conclusions, and recommendations. Ensure you understand the purpose and content of the report clearly. Step 2. Organize your outline structure. Your summary in the same sequence as the main report. A typical executive summary includes these 8 sections. 1. Background information. 2. Purpose statement. 3. Scope of the report. Research methodology. 5. Research limitations. 6. Key findings. 7. Conclusion. 8. Recommendations. Step 3. Fill in the content. Now you're ready to begin writing. Be concise but clear. Don't oversimplify critical findings or recommendations. Include specific details such as sample sizes, statistics, or significant results, especially in the findings and recommendations. Step 4. Review and revise. After writing your summary, let it sit for a day before rereading with fresh eyes. Or ask someone unfamiliar with the report to read it and see if they understand the key takeaways. The goal is to ensure the summary is clear, engaging, and informative while motivating the reader to read the full report. Remember, the executive summary is a standalone snapshot of your report. Write it last, keep it concise, make it compelling. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more professional writing tips.